Hello and welcome. You're watching WION World is One. My name is Hem Kaur Saroya and here's a look at all the top stories that we're tracking for you right now on NewsPoint. Donald Trump says billions of dollars in tariffs now flowing into the United States as high US tariffs come into effect for dozens of economies from today. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi takes a strong stance as farmers' interests top priority. Won't compromise a day after US imposed an additional 25% tariff on the country for purchasing Russian crude. Experts and former diplomats come out in support of India, say India is not in violation on Russian oil. They say US-led sanctions on Russian oil were meant as a price cap rather than a ban designed to limit Kremlin revenues. Rescuers work to clear blocked roads in India's Uttarakhand after 5 deaths in sudden flooding and landslides left dozens missing. 16 people from Maharashtra's Jalgaon missing after the cloudburst. Israeli excavator tears down a building in West Bank's Darsala village for being built without permit in the so-called Area C designated by 1995 Oslo Accords. Pakistan Army Chief Asim Munir headed to the United States to again attend farewell event for CENTCOM Commander General Michael E. Kurilla at Florida. Munir previously visited Washington in June. Population of Japanese nationals falls by a record amount of more than 900,000 people in 2024 as the country battles to reverse its perennially low birth rates. Brazil's President Lula da Silva says he won't humiliate himself by negotiating tariffs with President Trump, rejecting direct talks after new US trade penalties and vowing to respond through global alliances and the WTO. For latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.